A rectangular garden needs fencing. The cost of fencing is given per meter. Now, think for a moment. Do we need area here or perimeter? Well, ज्यादातर लोगों को एरिया और पेरीमीटर का फॉर्मूला तो बहुत अच्छे से पता होता है, लेकिन इस सिचुएशन में आकर अक्सर लोग गलती कर जाते हैं और जो उन्हें बहुत महंगी पड़ती है. नॉट बिकॉज द फॉर्मूला इज रॉन्ग, but because the situation is misunderstood. In this video, we will not just write formulas, we will understand how perimeter works in real life situations. Why reading the question carefully matters and how to avoid money related mistakes. पहले एक क्विक रिवीजन ले लेते हैं कि पेरीमीटर होता क्या है. पेरीमीटर मीन्स टोटल बाउंड्री अराउंड द शेप. किसी भी शेप के अराउंड जो बाउंड्री होती है वो हमारा पेरीमीटर होता है. फॉर अ रेक्टेंगल, पेरीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. The formula is very simple, but the real challenge is using it in right situations. Let's start with the basic problem. A rectangular garden needs fencing. The length of the garden is 10 meters and the breadth is 6 meters. The cost of fencing is 20 rupees per meter. Find the total cost of fencing. अब क्योंकि गार्डन की फेंसिंग होनी है, फेंसिंग होगी गार्डन के अराउंड, राइट? तो हमें यहाँ पर पेरीमीटर पता लगाना पड़ेगा. सो द लेंथ ऑफ द गार्डन इज 10 meters. The breadth of the garden is 6 meters. Perimeter of the garden is equal to 2 into L plus B, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 10 plus 6. 10 plus 6 is 16 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 32 meters. That means 32 meters of fencing is required. Now we will calculate the cost. Cost of fencing 1 meter is equal to 20 rupees and cost of fencing 32 meters is equal to 20 multiplied by 32, which is equal to 640
rupees.
एरिया में हमें आंसर स्क्वायर यूनिट में लिखना होता है, लेकिन पेरीमीटर में हमें स्क्वायर वर्ड यूज नहीं करना है, हमें सिंपल यूनिट यूज करनी है, विच इज meters here. So the total cost of fencing is 640 rupees. तो ऐसी सिचुएशंस में लोग क्या गलती करते हैं कि लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ देखा, ठीक है यहाँ तो एरिया ही पता लगाना होगा, बट ऐसा नहीं है. हमें सोचना पड़ेगा कि हमें पूरा सरफेस कवर करना है या बाउंड्री कवर करनी है. अब क्योंकि फेंसिंग होनी है तो फेंसिंग सरफेस पे तो नहीं होगी, फेंसिंग तो बाउंड्री पर ही होगी, तो इसलिए हमें यहाँ पर पेरीमीटर पता लगाना होगा. Now let's change the situation. The same garden is fenced twice. लेंथ वही सेम है 10 meters, ब्रेड्थ भी सेम है 6 meters, कॉस्ट भी सेम है 20 rupees पर मीटर, लेकिन फेंसिंग डबल होनी है. तो अब हमें क्या करना होगा? पेरीमीटर वी ऑलरेडी नो, इट इज इक्वल टू 32 meters, बट क्योंकि डबल फेंसिंग होनी है तो हम इसे 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 2 multiplied by 32, which is equal to 64 meters. That means we will need 64 meters of fencing. Now we will calculate the cost. 20 multiplied by 64, which is equal to 1280 rupees. So, same formula, same garden, different interpretation. Now let's take another situation. A rectangular park is 12 meters long and 8 meters wide. There is a gate which is 4 meters wide. So that part of the boundary is not fenced. The cost of fencing is 25 rupees per meter. Find the total cost of fencing. So first of all, we will find the perimeter. So length here is 12 meters and the breadth here is 8 meters. So the perimeter will be 2 into L plus B, which is equal to 2 into 12 plus 8, which is equal to 20. 2 multiplied by 20 is 40 meters. Now subtract the width of gate from it. 40 minus 4, which is equal to 36 meters. Now we will calculate the cost of fencing. Cost of fencing 1 meter is equal to 25 rupees and cost of fencing 36 meters is equal to 25 multiplied by 36, which is equal to 900 rupees. A rectangular playground is 25 meters long and 15 meters wide. A path is made all around the playground at the cost of 10 rupees per meter. Find the total cost of making the path. अब क्योंकि रेक्टेंगुलर पाथ के अराउंड हमें पाथ बनाना है तो हमें पेरीमीटर पता लगाना पड़ेगा. So the length of the playground is 25 meters, breadth is 15 meters, the perimeter of the playground is 2 into L plus B, which is equal to 2 into 25 plus 15, which is equal to 40. 2 multiplied by 40 is 80. Now we will find the cost. Cost of making 1 meter of path is equal to 10 rupees and cost of making 80 meters of path is equal to 10 multiplied by 80, which is equal to 800. So always remember, whenever the question talks about fencing, wire, boundary or cost per meter, think about the boundary first. Think about the perimeter because boundary means perimeter. The formula does not change, but the thinking must match the situation. That's all for today. In the next part, we will solve perimeter questions that makes logic with real life situations because that's where the most confusion happens. Thank you for watching.